let me give you a little tutorial about how to move the model around with your mouse. Every program is a little different with that. In Azore, the left mouse button, if you click and drag, it's going to rotate the model. In order to pan around left, right, up, down, you want to press down on your middle button or on the scroll wheel if you have one on your mouse, and that will pan in any direction. To zoom in and out, if you have a wheel, rolling the wheel should zoom in and out. If there's any trouble with the wheel, another way to zoom in and out is to hold down Shift and press the middle button and go up and down, and that will zoom in and out. Again, left button, rotate, middle button, pan, and the wheel zoom in and out, or Shift and the middle button will zoom in and out. If you ever get to a case where, oops, I put my model somewhere, I don't know where it is, in order to get it back, what you can do is go to the display menu, and there's an item that says Reset View, and that will bring the model back into the center. Another way is if you right-click on the main screen, you get your pop-up menu. Now it has more options in it. If you look at Views, Reset View is right there, and that will bring it back